So here's your homework for tonight. You are doing, I want to know what is the sine of 120 degrees. So what I would do is I would draw a triangle. Where is 120 degrees? What quadrant is it in? Is it in quadrant 1?
Second.
It's in quadrant 2. So somewhere here to here is 120 degrees. That's all I know. So I'm going to draw a triangle. You always want to make your triangle with the x-axis. Okay, so now if from here to here is 120 degrees, what's this angle right here? It's 60 degrees. If this is a 60-degree angle, can you name this side?
Root 3.
Yep, what's this?
1.
-1, and this is 2. That's very important that you understand that you're going left 1 unit. So now you gotta know what's the definition of sine. Sine is,
Opposite over hypotenuse.
so what is this ratio?
Root 3 over 2.
Excellent. That's your answer.
What is sec?
Now, secant is, it's the reciprocal of cosine. We're gonna do the secant, the reciprocal ones tomorrow. So don't worry about this one, don't worry about that one, but you can do 4. Where is -45 degrees?
In the 4th quadrant.
It's in the 4th quadrant. So here's -45 degrees. Can you name these two sides?
1 and 1.
One, not
Negative
1 and 1, but
Negative 1.
1 and -1.
Square root 2.
So what's the tangent of this angle?
Negative 1 over 2 or 1.
Opposite over adjacent. Okay, now, let's see how much you can do. Where's 315 degrees? Well, this is what I do. I know that here to here is 90. This is 180, and this is 270. So, whoops, 270.
4th
So
quadrant.
I know it's somewhere in quadrant, whoops,
4th.
in quadrant 4. 270 to 360. 270 to 360, 315. So if from here to here is 315 degrees, what's that angle? This angle is what I'm going to play around with. So what I'm going to do is take 360 degrees and remove that 315 to see what this angle is right here. What is it? What is it? 45. So this is a 45-degree angle. So again, this is going to be 1, this is going to be -1, and this is going to be root 2. So what's the definition of cosine? Cosine is what?
Adjacent over hypotenuse.
So what's your answer?
1 over root 2.
Yep, that's it. Now next year when you get to pre-calc, I'm going to make you rationalize this denominator, which will be root 2 over 2. Number 6. Tell me where 240 degrees is.
The 3rd quadrant.
It's in the 3rd quadrant. So from here to here is 240. So what's this bitty triangle right here? 240 what? Minus 180, what do you get? 60. This is a 60-degree triangle. This is a 60 angle. So that means this is going to be -√3, this is going to be -1, and this is 2. So can you tell me what the tangent of this angle is?
Negative root 3 over negative 1.
And what's another name for -√3 over -1?
Root 3.
Yes, root 3. There you go. Okay, so I don't like this negative big angle. What could I do to get a coterminal positive angle?
Add 360.
Yes, if we added 360 to this, where are you at?
See if you can. 40 short.
Where?
I'm not sure.
You're at 135. You're at 135 degrees. So in other words, 135 degrees is coterminal to negative 225. So I'm right here. So what quadrant am I in?
Second.
Second. And if from here to here is 135, what's this angle right here? It's gonna be 45. Which means this is a 1, this is a negative 1, and this is a root 2.
Wouldn't that one be a negative 1 too?
Which one?
The
This
left
is
one?
negative 1, you go up 1.
Oh, okay.
So what's the sign of this angle right here? 1 over root 2. Opposite over hypotenuse. Skip 8 and 9. You're going to do tangent of 60. Where's a 60-degree angle?
First quadrant.
It's in quadrant 1. Can you name these sides? And what's the definition of tangent? It is opposite over adjacent. So the answer is root 3 over 1. Number 11. Where is the cosine, where is negative 270 degrees?
90.
It is the same as a 90, yes.
Coterminal.
It's, so this going from here to here is negative 270. Now, when I told you that when you land on an axis, what definition are you gonna use now? Instead of cosine, we learn is adjacent over hypotenuse, but I don't see a triangle here. So I'm gonna use the ordered pair 0, 1. What's another name for cosine? Instead of adjacent over hypotenuse, thank you, x over r. What is the x value here? 0, r is 1. What's this answer?
0.
Tangent of 330. Where's 330? Quadrant 1, 2, 3, or 4? What's it between? It's between 270 and 360. So it's somewhere here. That's 330, somewhere. So what's this from here to here? So 330, how do you get to here? What's missing here? What's this angle? 30. So we're gonna call this side negative 1. Opposite the 30 is a 1. This side is gonna be root 3, and this is a 2. Everyone got that? Root 3, negative 1, and 2. So what's the tangent of this angle right here?
Negative 1 over root 3.
Yep, negative 1 over root 3. And next year in pre-calc, I expect you to rationalize it. Next. Where's 150 degrees? Quadrant 1, 2, 3, or 4?
2.
2. So from here to here is 150. Okay, so I want this angle right here. What's this angle gonna be? So from here to here is 150, and from here to here is 180. So what's this?
45.
This is what?
Oh, 30.
30. So this side is 1, this is negative root 3, and this is 2. So what's the sine of 150 degrees?
1 over 2.
Yep, 1 over 2. Tangent of 150. Where did we say 150 degrees is?
1 over negative root 3.
So this is 150.
Give me 1 minute, we're almost done.
You can go back to your seat. 150 is from here to here. What's this angle right here? 30. This is gonna be 1, this is gonna be negative root 3 and 2. So what's the definition of tangent? Someone?
Oh, opposite over adjacent.
So it's 1 over negative root 3. Number 17. Where's 180 degrees?
On the line,
Where?
on the axis.
It's on the x-axis. Here's 180 degrees, so from here to here is 180. If you are not an angle within the quadrants, if you're on an axis, what definition am I gonna use?
X over Y.
Cosine is x over r. And what is the x value? What's this, name this ordered pair right here.
-1, 0.
Good job. So what is the x value at this spot? And what's the r value? What's negative 1 over 1? So this answer is negative 1. And the last one. Negative 30 degrees. Where's negative 30?
333.
It's this angle right here. This is negative 30 degrees right here, from here to here. That's negative 30. So we're in what quadrant?
4.
4. So name these three sides.
-1.
Negative 1 is that.
Square root 3 and 2.
Square root of 3 is that, and 2. So what's the definition of tangent? Opposite.
Over adjacent.
Okay, how did you guys understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, the only ones I didn't do are secant, cosecant, and cotangent. What those are the reciprocals. And we'll talk about that tomorrow, okay? On this side, what I want to see you do, I want you to name all the angles. See if you can do it on your own like we did at the beginning of the hour, okay? Name them all. And we'll do something else with this tomorrow. That's it.